Aries, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see your May month 2021 predictions, and we are going to see what are the guidance messages for you in this month. Okay, so let's get started with your reading. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Okay, before that I'm going to take one oracle, two oracle cards for you. One from my Moonology deck over here. So let's see what is there for my Aries in the month of May 2021. Let's see. Okay. So we have luck is on your side this month. Okay, so this is something related with your something you might be working for from a long time, and now the luck is going to work. The wheel of fortune, now the wheel of luck is in your side, I feel. Okay, for many of you. Wow, that is very good card for you. What else do we have? One more card for my Aries. Ground and center. Okay, so this card is telling us that you should be grounded in this particular time, this month. It is very good for you because see, the luck is on your side, and ground and center cards, these both cards are telling us over here that your work is going to happen. Whatever work, your stuck work, your past work which was really stuck from a long time, and it is going to work, but you have to be grounded. Sometimes we happen to become so happy that we just leave that ground. We start moving up in the air. So you don't have to do that. Things will happen because it's the time. Okay, the time is now and they are going to happen, but it's your time, it's your work. So do not let people tell you, or it's like a feeling where just let it go, let it happen. Do not start to overthink about it. Do not start to be so much excited about it as well. No need to show people what you are working for, from how much time you were working for. Just let the happiness come and settle inside. Okay, no need to show anyone how happy you are, because no one will be happy for you, trust me. All right, Aries, now let's see what is your I'm going to see your past, present and future energies in this reading. Let's see what is there for my past energies for my Aries. Okay, wow, I have got 3 major arcanas already. Okay, present energies. Wow, okay, big transformations around you, Aries. This is something like a big reading for you going to be today. Future energies for my Aries. Okay, so at the back of the deck we have the Page of Pentacles. So to me it looks like you are in a state where you are pretty excited about your work. You are becoming mature day by day. You are working towards some material thing. This can be a material thing, this can be a love. You are working towards something, but you are slow. Okay, it's not very fast energies. But the past energies of you, the High Priestess, the Tower and the Lovers card. Okay, so things happened really quick around you. It seems like that. You were in a state, this might be a love relationship in which you were, and all of a sudden it just ended. The Tower and the Lovers. Some kind of a decision making which gone bad. Something is there. Some kind of a thing which gone bad, and you knew it is going to happen because the High Priestess, you knew it, but you couldn't do anything about it. The present energies are 10 of Swords, 10 of Cups and the Ace of Wands. At present also, the things from the past, they are hampering your growth, they are. But at least you have your family, you have the loved ones around you who want you to go forward, who want you to go towards a new start with someone new. Okay, the past has to end, because the Tower and the Ten of Swords in the present, which reflects about the past things, this betrayal from somebody, it can be a betrayal, big betrayal. That is why you are slow now. Page of Pentacles, this is the reason you are going slow. It can be a love relationship which you are really not taking very fast steps now, because it's Aries, and being Aries, you are not going so fast. Can be something because of a bad past. In the future, we have eight of Wands, the World, and Nine of Wands. Okay, things are coming towards you. Okay, Aries, things are coming towards you. The ending of the past is coming towards the things of the past are coming towards an end. You are blocking those energies from the past, but do not let the present and the future things, just let them come. Okay, ground and center. Okay, things which are coming towards you, luck is in your side. So things which are coming towards you are for your betterment. Okay, stop resisting yourself because of one bad past. Let me clarify these cards. Okay, let's clarify these cards. Okay, so why is the Page of Pentacles over here in the overall energy for my Aries? Why is the Page of Pentacles here? Page of Swords. Wow. So this is a very fast energy other than Page of Pentacles. So this can be somebody else, okay, around you who wants to take things really fast, and you want to take things very slow. And you both are almost the same age group, I feel. And somebody wants to talk to you. You might be even attached with this person online via Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. You might be talking to this person on an online basis, but this person wants to go fast. It's only you whose energies are slow. Okay, let's see the High Priestess, the Tower, and Lovers. What is the overall one card for these three cards? The High Priestess, the Tower, and the Lovers, the past energies. Okay, the High Priestess. I will be needing one more card. Six of Wands and Knight of Swords. Yeah, you have seen that thing, getting a victory by moving really fast, by not looking at the back and just going towards the front. All that victory, always looking forward. You have seen that life. You have been there, done that. But sometimes, this Six of Wands remind me of this card of yours, Ground and Center, because you might have become victorious in such a thing. This can be anything, you were really happy with something from the past. You were happy, you were thinking that it is going towards a very beautiful level, you have achieved everything, but actually that was the time you didn't achieve everything. That was the time it was just a stepping stone of the achievement which was yet to come, but you took it in a very fast way, and that is why things went wrong in your area. You thought that, okay, I have achieved now this is the top I could have achieved ever. Okay, you stopped working for that thing, and then it happened. The comeback of yours, it all just went in vain, we can say that. Okay, let's see why the present energies are Ten of Swords, Ten of Cups, and Ace of Wands. Nine of Cups. Yeah, so what I feel over here, Aries, is that whatever the bad past experience you had, You are grateful for that thing. You are showing gratitude towards the situation around you. You are happy because you have your family. You are happy because there is a feeling of content. Whatever happened, it happens for good. You have that strong feeling in you. But why is this 10 of swords coming up in the present energy? 6 of cups, yeah, it's the past. A reconciliation which you thought it would happen, but there is no reconciliation over here. It just ended. You wanted these things to happen. You wanted this person to come back in your life. You wanted everything, but it couldn't happen. And now it just ended, but you are grateful because you are still here and you are ready to move forward. That is the best part in your reading, Aries. Let's see your future energies with your eight of wands, the world, and 9 of wands. 5 of wands. Okay. Things will happen really fast around you, so just be prepared in the coming future, in the coming May energies, because you might, there might be arguments, there might be some situations around you which you won't want to handle, but you have to face these problems, these small issues in your life. Let me clarify what else. Why the 9 of wands is here? Ace of cups, yeah. A blocking towards a new situation. You might even be getting up an apology from someone from the past, but you are not going to accept it. No, it's not you. You are not. You are going to fight back. You are not going to communicate. I don't see that, because this is a process of completion with the past thing. The things have been ended. There is no coming back. In fact, I see new people coming towards you, but you are blocking them as well. So you have to unblock them and you have to accept the situation. Okay, you are happy the bad past ended, but at least just let inside the new present. Okay, just go with the flow. All right, so that is all from my side, Aries. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.